Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. Today I am in my downstairs bathroom. I am going to refresh it for fall. I'm not going to do anything major. I just want to add some touches of fall. This is the shower curtain that I currently have in here. It has a really nice subtle glam. I'm thinking of leaving it. I'm thinking of removing it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Because of the gold accent, I think it is fine for fall. Remember the shower curtain I used in my dining room for table napkin? I bought another one for my bathroom. I think I'm gonna use it, but before I make a decision, I'm gonna finish decorating. You know, I always start with the top of the toilet. Let's do it. A big welcome to all of you who are here for the first time. I share glam home decor, cleaning and DIY videos. If you are into these things, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And a big thank you to all of you, my Glam Squad, for coming back. The tray is from Amazon and this floral arrangement is from Burlington. I especially like it in this setup because it dials down all the fall decoration that I have throughout the house, including the bathroom. Next to it, it is a super cute burgundy pumpkin from the dollar store. Then I added one of my candles from Bath and Body Works. Next, we're gonna start with the vanity. There I have a small tray from Burlington. I'm gonna transfer this soap to my acrylic soap container. It has a beautiful fall scent. I enjoy washing my hands with it. In addition, the color is really beautiful. It is the same one that is in my kitchen. I was just going to add a gold pump to it, but at the end I've decided to put it in the acrylic container instead because of all the other colors I plan on bringing in here. Then I added my soap and lotion. You can see how beautiful the soap is inside the clear container. You know, whenever I have towels in this bathroom, it's for decoration purposes. I do not use my towels. Instead, I'm putting some papers for guests to dry their hands. On this corner, I have my tall silver vase from Macy's Backstage. In the bathroom, I've decided to use this exotic burgundy fall foliage for simple reason. I do not have any more brown or orange fall floral in the house. I did not want to spend any more money when I know I have these, and I know they are gorgeous. I got them last year from Joanne. Next to the vase, I added a super glam pumpkin from Home Goods. My towel, I'm starting with a simple white bath towel. And then I'm going to have two hand towels. You're going to see the other one in a few moments. This is a napkin ring from Totally Dazzle. I'm going to use it to tie up the hand towels. There it is. It is really cute like that, but I'm going to do something else. But this would be a great look for Christmas. I may bring it back. And then I hooked some pumpkin pigs, floral pig from Hobby Lobby on the napkin rings. On the other one, the pumpkin came out. I'm glad it did, so at least I can show you guys how everything tied up together. It's nothing pretty. I'm gonna glue back the pumpkin and then it's gonna look really good. None of the mess will show. I made up my mind. I've decided to use the shower curtain. I think I like it. What do you guys think? You guys always ask, the tension rods are from Amazon, including the shower hook. And then I added my regular shower curtains. They take the bathroom to the next level. The camera is not doing it justice. These are my off-white velvet curtains from Amazon. Love them. I added a brown scented, I'm not gonna call it the wallflower, I don't know how you call it, on this wall to bring some of the brown that I have throughout the house. It looks really cute and smells really, really good, especially when passing in the hallway near the bathroom. We are done. Let's see what everything looks like together. I think it is very pretty. It turns out much better than I expected. My friends, please give this video a thumbs up and share it on your social media pages. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button, turning your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. I look forward to seeing you all on the next one. I love you always. Bye-bye.